Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom again in order to find the build number, and all you have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you will have the screen lock applied, then probably your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. Now let's tap on Advanced and enter developer options, which are at the very bottom. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change window animation scale, we can show surface updates, we can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth, to the Wi-Fi, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options, and if you want to turn on the feature, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see it will be activated and applied actually immediately. Of course you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, if you'd like to turn them off, simply tap on the switcher at the very top, and as you can see most of the options are inactive instead of some of them, but most of them are inactive, and after getting back you can see that the developer options simply disappeared. But of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.